Guess what I'm about to go on a journey to get. The back seat's all covered just in case I spill some fluids. The back's all lined up just in case it fits back here good. And I got my tools. So let's go on the journey. All right, just got the first one. First one in the trunk. It fits good. No problems. I think I can get the second one in the trunk too. So good news. I'm on my way. Okay, here they are. Here's one. Here's the other. I got two of them. Don't know why I got two of them, but I figured two's better than one, that's better than zero. So we'll see how it works out. Two twin transmissions. I'm gonna go through them in detail, but one of them's shinier, one of them's older, one of them's more money, one of them's less money, but they both seem to be pretty good. Here are both transmissions laid out on my driveway. If you look closely, there are some screw holes that haven't been used and they're like filled up with white gunk. I have no idea what that is. If anybody has any ideas, please comment. It's just weird because both of them had it, so I'm thinking maybe it was something done at the factory. This 93 version, the casing or the casting seems different than this 94 version right here, where there's that circle around the main shaft. So I don't know if that was added for extra support later on. And then here's the 93 with just some casting marks, I guess. And here's a 94 version. And then more casting marks on the 93 and the 94 version. See the little 4 stamped in. Now here's the VIN on the 93. So I was able to go to Carfax and look it up. And I think there's probably around 125,000 to 145,000 miles on it. So I'm probably gonna use this one because it's documented pretty good. This 94 version of the Mazda, I looked up the VIN and there's just one service record from 2001 in Orange Park. So I may not use this one. And if anybody ever wondered how much it weighs, here's proof. The G25MR transmission weighs exactly 81 pounds. So it's kind of heavy. And I'll spend the next few weeks buying a bunch of parts as well as tools if I decide to do it myself. And I just decided to go with the stock OEM clutch just to keep things simple.